Hey there! Today we're going to talk about how to fortify your hair, prevent breakage, and level up your hair game. If strengthening is your current hair goal, be sure to check out our exclusive Morrocco method Lunar Hair Chart. You'll see the optimal days to micro trim and receive the most benefit from our strengthening products, and don't miss out on March's extra powerful full moon. The first item in our powerhouse lineup is our fan favorite Apple Cider Vinegar shampoo. This shampoo works to stimulate the scalp, increase blood flow, and restore your hair and scalp to a healthy pH level. Apple cider vinegar nourishes the hair and scalp and encourages your sebaceous glands to flush out debris, excess oil buildup, and unhealthy bacteria, promoting strong and healthy growth. Next up, we have our Citrus Silk Conditioner Bar with luxurious and hydrating ingredients such as jojoba oil and shea butter to help smooth down the hair cuticle, reducing friction and preventing breakage. The extra hydration also increases your hair's elasticity to stop strands from snapping. Finally, picture this, a once-a-week hair spa day where you can relax, kick your feet up, and wash away literal toxins that can damage your hair and leave it prone to breakage. Morrocco Method's Zen Detox Mask is your go-to for that DIY indulgence to revitalize and strengthen your locks, and you can use it on dirty or clean hair. In fact, it's so cleansing you can even use it instead of your regular shampoo session. Using the mask couldn't be easier. You only need 3 things: Zen Detox powder, distilled water, and a non-metal bowl and non-metal utensils to mix everything up. Pop that Zen Detox powder into your bowl and add the distilled water slowly. Stir occasionally as you add the water and aim for a spreadable but not too drippy consistency, similar to a thick Greek yogurt. Got lumps? Leave it sitting out but covered for an hour to let the clay hydrate, and then give it a good mix afterward. Now you're ready to apply and detoxify. Dampen those locks slightly and massage the mixture into your scalp. You can use gloves here to reduce the mess a bit, but the mask is good for your hands too. Work the product down your strands, and if you're rocking long hair, twist it up on your head as you go. If this is your first time using the Zen Detox Mask, start slowly and only leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. You can gradually level up to 30, 45, and even 60 minutes for treatments, and grab a book and a snack while you relax. Be sure to cover your hair with a shower cap or saran wrap for longer treatments, as you never want to let the mask dry out completely. For a 2-for-1 spot treatment, feel free to apply the mask on your face as well. It will work to clarify and detoxify your skin the same way it does your hair and scalp. Feeling a bit weird during detox? No worries, a slight tug is normal as the clay works its magic. If it starts to bug you, rinse out early and try for a longer session next week. When your spa treatment is done, rinse the mask out completely with water. You can follow with our Citrus Silk Conditioner Bar here for extra strengthening power if you like, but you won't need shampoo as your hair and scalp will already be squeaky clean. Strengthening your hair is more than just a beauty ritual. It's a vital cog in the wheel of maintaining healthy, vibrant locks. These products act as a shield, fortifying your strands against daily wear and tear caused by environmental stressors. Stronger hair is also more resilient to damage, reducing the likelihood of hair loss and enhancing its natural shine and appearance. By strengthening your hair, you're not just investing in a beauty routine, you're investing in the long-term well-being and radiance of your hair. If you're loving this hair care wisdom, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.